Okay, the top and the frame have been separated, and we can remove the rust, which I did using a wire wheel and a abrasive brush attached to my power drill. I got all the rust off so that we could apply primer, which is what you see here. Once the primer's on, then we can go ahead and apply a white top coat of gloss white enamel, and then the frame is done, so I set it aside. Turn my attention to the top here, which has an old coat of weathered paint that needs to come off. If I don't remove this, a new coat of paint won't stick. I got to get down to a fresh surface, which is the original gel coat, which I did mostly by hand using a scraper with a razor blade on it, like you see here, and a little power sander, random orbital sander. And this took 2, 3 hours over 3, 4 days, which is why I'm just showing you this one little clip. Quite a little bit of careful work to get the paint off without damaging the gel coat. Okay, that's off. And I've turned the top over and I'm removing a piece of mounting hardware that's attached to the top. This goes on the windscreen. And I do this by grinding off the top of the rivet and then driving it back through. And then taking a scraper and scraping and removing the seal, scraper and a utility knife. Once that's done, I can turn my attention to the fiberglass repair. You can see the hole in the center left of the screen, and that's our next video.